Hey everybody, Kyle and Miranda here with Hitching and Fishing.
Morning.
Morning. So what you're about to watch is a video that we really didn't want to share with you. It was the very first time we dumped a black tank, and we didn't do it right.
No.
And so we got here and we're sitting here in Florida and we thought, you know what? We'll just share it with you. It's not that bad, but we felt like complete idiots. It's the first time for us to ever camp and dump. And it was collaborative. We both made mistakes in it. So what you're about to watch is our attempt to be videographers for the first time and dumping a black tank. And hope you enjoy our mistake just a little bit.
All right. So Miranda and I are about to dump our first black tank. We didn't record the first gray tank and it was a fail. We knocked our hose over and it was fun. Anyway, this is what we got going on here. We bought a black hose to help us do the clean out, and it's not really long enough, so we got it stretched all tight over to here. We got this Y fitting, so we got a drinking water blue, and this is our black hose that we are using. What that black hose does is it sends water back to the camper, and once your black tank's dumped, you can run water into that and it helps clean out the black tank. So we're not there yet, we got to dump first, but you can already see we've got a short hose. On to dumping.
We're about to dump our first black tank. First time ever dumping our black tank. Don't have any idea how this is going to go. Could be good, could be bad.
I think it's questionable already because our hose is too short.
It's true. But Grand Design Solitude makes this pretty easy. We know what we're supposed to do. It's just the external part that we could be messing up. So let's see what happens.
Okay, Miranda, you can pull the poo knob.
Pulling the poo knob.
Pull the poo knob. Your hair's in the way. Pulling it slowly. You don't need, oh, that didn't sound slow.
I think we're okay.
Now stuff's coming out into there. We can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it.
Go look at the clear part so you can see the
We got another camera running down there, so we'll shut you a clip of that. Probably have to blur that out. But that's what you want to see is the poo water coming out. It's not the greatest sound effects for eating. If you're hungry or about to have dinner, don't watch this at all.
camera running.
Oh yeah.
Look at this great work that we've created over the past 10 days. About 2 weeks.
Ooh, I just saw a big chunk.
That was tissue.
Our Friday night excitement.
Alright, so we messed up right off the bat. Miranda and I only pulled the lever out just enough to let the liquid out. Not much solid. So then we had a tank full of solid. So we went inside and we filled it back up by keeping our foot on the toilet, filling it back full of fresh water. So that now we're back to a tank with liquid and solid. Let's try again.
Yeah. All the way out. Oh yeah.
So yeah, we had a tank completely full of solids.
Not good.
We drained all the liquid.
In my defense, you heard him say, pull it slowly. And so that kind of threw me off track. And there's a camera in my face, and I'm still not comfortable with this. So we messed up by not pulling it all the way out. But lesson learned. So don't do that. Make sure you pull it all the way out.
Yeah, camping RV pro tip number 1. Pull the black tank all the way out. What you didn't get to see and we didn't record it is we had our hose laying there that drains the gray and black. We pulled the gray all the way out before the video started. And when we did that, a massive flush of water came out and it knocked our hose over. So
We're pros.
we were afraid to knock the hose over with black water. So that's why we pulled it slightly, but
We were shy, a little too timid.
get your sewer hose nice and set up and balanced and stable before you dump any water in it. So pro tip number 2, don't do that. But anyway, that's our mistake. Hope you guys got a little bit of a chuckle out of that. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Click like, click subscribe. We'll see you
Yeah.
hitching and fishing. Later, guys.